So guys, let me know once you play the quiz and then we will start discussing today's topic because over here I am not getting the right timing. ये timing जो है यहाँ पर मुझे नहीं बता रहा है. I'm going to drop this down. Okay. So we are going to be talking about dairy. So dairy, let's again understand what exactly is dairy. Dairy की अगर हम बात करें तो milk and milk products, दूध और दूध से बनी हुई सारी चीजें जैसे कि दही है, पनीर है, चीज है, मक्खन है, ओके, बटर है, घी है, ये सारी चीजें जो है दूध से. बट डेयरी इज हम घी को बटर को काउंट नहीं करेंगे बट वी विल काउंट मेनली मिल्क एंड बटर एंड चीज एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. बिकॉज वो एकदम ही जो उसका जो घी जो है उसमें घी इज एक्चुअली लैक्टोज फ्री. घी डजंट हैव दैट शुगर. Cheese has milk in it. Cheese has lactose in it. So we are talking basically about the dairy product. Okay. Now the problem is dairy ko it's not a straight question yes or no. Okay, is dairy good or bad? I cannot directly answer yes or no. It's a very tricky question, I would say. Okay, बहुत ही tricky question है whether dairy is good or bad. So dairy can be good, dairy can be bad too. Dairy can be good for some people, dairy can be bad for some people. It depends from individual to individual. It depends from it actually depends on how the cows and the buffaloes are raised. तो कैसे उनको raise करने में आता है उस पे पूरा जो है depend करता है. There's a controversy also which says that humans are the only species that consume dairy. Okay, I think the quiz is still on. Okay, so let the quiz get over. मुझे यहाँ पर पता नहीं चल रहा quiz on है या नहीं. So guys, let me know once the quiz is done, then I can start talking. I don't want to disturb you all in the quiz. Okay, great. So the quiz is done and Arjun Mugut Rao has gotten 50. That's amazing. We are back for the session. Guna is back. Thank you so much, Guna, for letting me know. Krishnan is here. 50. Jay is here. Namaste. Namaskar. Good evening, Jay. Thank you everyone for tuning in again. A very, very warm welcome to you all. And we are discussing about the dairy product, guys. It's an open session again. You guys can put in your inputs. आप मुझे बता सकते हो whether dairy works for you or doesn't work for you. I will also tell you all whether dairy works. मैं अपना भी बताऊंगी and I will give you all the logic, the science behind it also. Anurag Dogra, can't hear you. You will have to log out and log in again. Okay, Anirudh and Anurag, you will have to log out and then log in again. चलिए हम सब हीना के साथ मिलकर बनाए 4 essay spectacular Saturday start. Yes, जैसे the best part is आपको बराबर दिन याद रहता है और कौन सा वार है. ओके, शनिवार है, रविवार है. आजकल तो सारे वार एक जैसे लगते हैं because every day is the same. You don't know which day of the week it is. So thank you for that reminder. Dairy is not good during current time. Log in again for voice. Thank you Ayush for writing it down for me. So Shekhar is saying dairy is not good during current time. Current time as in because of this COVID or in general. Please throw some light on that. कोई भी स्क्रीन ऑन करो. अब तो सिर्फ हिना ही दिखती है. मोबाइल, लैपटॉप, टीवी स्क्रीन छा गई है हिना. थैंक यू सो मच जय. बस ऐसे ही हम सभी लोग छाए रहे हमेशा इस क्वारंटीन में जो है. बस ऐसे छाते रहे, ऐसे ही छाए हुए रहे और सबकी मदद करते रहे और बस अपना नाम रोशन करे. थैंक यू. It has lactose which plenty people can't tolerate. Okay, Shekhu. So I'm going to be answering all this. Restart, you will be able to hear. Thank you, Karan, also. Yes, thanks, Ayush. Okay, so now coming back to dairy. Okay, start करते हैं हम dairy product से. Dairy can be good, dairy can be bad. I cannot give you a straight answer yes or no. Dairy जो है कैसा उसका प्रोडक्ट बनता है डिपेंड करता है हाउ द काउज एंड द बफेलोज आर रेस्ड. ओके, वो क्या फीड लेते हैं. ओके, वो किसके कैसे प्रोसेस के थ्रू जाते हैं. द प्रॉब्लम इज that because the population is increasing, the demand of milk is also ever increasing. बहुत ज्यादा डिमांड बढ़ गया है. ओके, पॉपुलेशन बढ़ गई है, डिमांड भी जो है मिल्क का बढ़ गया है, लेकिन हमारे पास इतनी सारी गाय भी नहीं है कि हम इतना सारा मिल्क प्रोड्यूस कर पाए. सो व्हाट इज द डेयरी इंडस्ट्री डूइंग? Dairy industry is, trying all different means by which the production can be increased. Okay, so what is happening is the cows and the buffaloes are being injected hormones so that the milk production increases. Not only that, also they've been made pregnant more frequently than they normally do. Okay, so while they are still pregnant, they, the milk is being extracted out of them, okay, from cows and buffaloes. And now imagine the cow, first of all they are impregnated, okay, and still the milk has been extracted, so there's so much of stress that a cow or a buffalo goes through, and that kind of milk we are consuming. That is really bad for our health. वो दूध में जो है पूरा स्ट्रेस आ रहा है, स्ट्रेस हार्मोन्स रिलीज होते हैं. Also, it is practically and it is humanly not possible to extract milk of so many cows. Okay, possible ही नहीं है, और process भी बहुत slow है. Okay, so what they do is they fix, okay, cups, metallic cups, okay, to the cows and to the buffaloes, through which they suck out the milk. ओके, मिल्क का सक्शन जो है उसके थ्रू कप्स, मेटालिक कप्स के थ्रू होता है, विच कॉजेज पेन. ओके, उससे पेन होने लगता है एनिमल को, एंड ऑल्सो उसका मार्क रहता है, एंड कॉन्स्टेंटली इफ दैट मेटालिक कप इज अटैच्ड, ओके, टू द काउ और टू द बफेलो फॉर मिल्क एक्सट्रैक्शन, इट ऑल्सो कॉजेज वूंड्स होने लगते हैं, और फिर बाद में उनको एंटीबायोटिक्स देने में आती है, सो दैट दे डोंट फॉल सिक, सो दैट दे कैन कंटिन्यू टू गिव यू मिल्क. So imagine all this, okay, all this a cow or a buffalo goes through, और ये सारे स्ट्रेस वाला मिल्क जो है हम लेते हैं. ओके, सारा स्ट्रेस हार्मोन उसमें आ चुका है, उसमें क्या कहते हैं, कॉर्टिसोल स्ट्रेस हार्मोन्स है. एट द सेम टाइम गाय जो है बेचारी बीमार हो रही है, प्रेग्नेंट है, सो इट इज अ वेरी पेनफुल प्रोसेस. इट्स नॉट, I would say it's not right for us to do all this thing to the animal. So ये सारे processes होते हैं animal पे. That's how the milk that we have is not safe. Also बहुत adulteration होता है. Like I said, milk का consumption बढ़ गया है, demand बढ़ गया है, but supply कम है. That's why adulteration also happens. First of all, the milk that we get, okay, is highly rich in hormones and antibiotics, okay, because of all these processes. At the same time, it has been adulterated. कई बार जो है मिल्क को adulterate करने में आता है, उसको उसमें पानी डालने में आता है, उसमें काफी सारे chemicals डालने में आते हैं. So that way, if you see, milk is not very safe. Okay, but if you listen to the WHO guidelines, okay, World Health Organization guidelines, they say we need milk for strong bones, we need milk for strong teeth, hair, for our body. Okay, we need milk for calcium. But let's try to understand, guys, milk is not the only source of calcium. Okay, milk जो है, that is not the only source of calcium. कैल्शियम के लिए जो है हम ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स भी ले सकते हैं. कैल्शियम के लिए जो है हम नट्स भी ले सकते हैं. कैल्शियम के लिए जो है हम सीड्स भी ले सकते हैं. सो ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, nuts, seeds, all these are also very good for our body. So we don't have to actually just depend on milk for calcium. So I'm going to quickly read your questions. वालेकुम अस्सलाम अमित जी, थैंक यू. रमजान मुबारक आप सभी को भी. यस, टुडे इज द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ रमजान, सो रमजान मुबारक आप सभी को. गाइस, प्लीज अपडेट द ऐप इफ यू फेसिंग एनी ऑडियो इशू. यस, प्लीज. ह्यूमन बॉडी डोंट नीड मिल्क एज वी वेल, देयर आर मेनी ऑल्टरनेटिव्स अवेलेबल. यस Shekhar. So they have this argument which says that humans are the only species which have milk of other animals. Okay, बाकी कोई भी जो है दूसरे animals का दूध नहीं लेता. We are the only species which consume milk of other animal. Okay, now there is also an argument which says, so before the agricultural development, okay, there's a argument which says that before the agricultural development we were not drinking milk. Okay, मिल्क जो है ये एग्रीकल्चर का डेवलपमेंट हुआ, उसके बाद लोग कंज्यूम करना स्टार्ट कर दिए. उसके पहले nobody was drinking milk, only mother's milk, and then they were having everything else. Only after the agricultural development happened, people started consuming milk. Now, there is also an argument which says that our genes have been accommodated to digest milk, but also the fact is approximately 70 to 80% of Asians, okay, are lactose intolerant, and a lot of other people from the world are lactose intolerant. Our body is not adapted to digest calcium. हमारा शरीर जो है कैल्शियम डाइजेस्ट नहीं, लैक्टोज डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाता, मिल्क डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाता, एंड दैट कैन कॉज ब्लोटिंग. उससे ब्लोटिंग हो सकती है, उससे पेट में गड़बड़ हो सकती है, डाइजेस्टिव इश्यूज हो सकते हैं, डायरिया हो सकता है, स्टमक क्रैम्प्स हो सकते हैं. तो लॉट ऑफ अस डोंट नो, क्योंकि इतना हैबिचुएटेड हो जाते हैं मिल्क से दैट दे डोंट इवन नो दैट दे आर लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट. My crux of this entire argument is very simple, okay? Have milk as, I would say, as a source of taste, okay? Taste के लिए आप खा रहे हो, जैसे ईद है, okay? तो ईद में आप सेवई बना रहे हो, okay? So सेवई आप जरूर से खाइए because it is, you know, auspicious festival है, ईद है, तो आप सेवई खा रहे हो. Don't have milk as a health drink, जैसे कि रोज मिल्क पीना जरूरी है, ऐसे सोचकर नहीं पीना है. बिकॉज कैल्शियम और प्रोटीन की अगर हम बात करें, सो वी विल गेट कैल्शियम एंड प्रोटीन फ्रॉम द अदर सोर्सेज ऑल्सो. सो वी आर नॉट ओनली डिपेंडेंट ऑन मिल्क फॉर कैल्शियम एंड प्रोटीन. So you can definitely have milk, but I would suggest that have it as, you know, to relish it, or have it occasionally. If you love it, don't have it only because it is, you know, good for from health point of view, because it is not completely safe. It's a controversial topic, okay? बहुत ही लोग इस पे डिबेट करेंगे. सो वी विल यू नो कम टू दिस पॉइंट, ओके? ये पॉइंट पर हम सभी लोग आ सकते हैं दैट समटाइम्स, यू नो, लाइक वी हैव मिल्क केक. जो केक खाते हैं वो कभी खा लिए, कभी दही वाला सैलेड खा लिए हमने, कभी छाछ पी ली, कभी लस्सी पी ली. सो दैट वे इट इज ओके, बट हैविंग इट रेगुलरली मे नॉट बी पॉसिबल. सभी लोग जो है रेगुलरली जरूरी नहीं है, यू नो, उनको पीना जरूरी नहीं है. Karan is saying for weight loss, is milk fine for weight loss? See, we get low fat milk, we get whole fat milk. The low fat milk में क्या हो जाता है कि उसका प्रोसेस से उसके गुड फैट्स भी जो है निकल जाते हैं. So you can have the low fat milk, okay, but you will not get the actual nutrition from the milk, okay? So I would suggest that the way they you know process milk, इतना high temperature पे इसको heat करने में आता है, pasteurize करने में आता है, that all the protein gets denatured in a way, okay? इसका protein जो है denature हो जाता है, okay? वो हमारे शरीर के लिए नुकसान हो जाता है. So I would suggest that don't only depend on milk, okay, for your protein intake. And weight loss के लिए, you know, in fact it's good if you don't have milk. weight loss के लिए better है. Shekhu, you are right. Animals are treated very harshly. Yes. Is bajra good for us? Bajra is very good for us. Bajra is a whole grain which is good for our health. So jawar, bajra, oats, barley, these all grains are different. So we should not just stick to one kind of grain. We should keep trying different kind of grains. Our cooperative dairies, okay? See, like I said, you know, the milk demand is more, okay, and the supply is less. So they harshly treat animals, and the way they extract milk is also not right, unless, you know, you yourself go and visit a dairy and you see how the milk has been extracted. Then, you know, you can know whether you can take the milk from that dairy. Otherwise, I would just suggest that, you know, get milk from one trusted source and use it minimal. ज़्यादा मत use करो milk. Karan is saying, please brief me out regarding importance of macronutrients like protein if required to build and maintain muscle. So like you said, macronutrient, it is very important for the body. Macronutrient means nutrient which is required in larger quantity. Like carbohydrate is required in large quantity. Carbohydrate, protein and fat, these are macronutrients. It, you know, हमारे शरीर में ज़रूरी है. Okay. Now protein cannot be assimilated well in absence of carbohydrate. So carbohydrate का भी होना ज़रूरी है, fat का भी होना ज़रूरी है for our growth and development. Okay, so you can't just depend on protein. If your diet is just high in protein, it can affect your kidneys also. So it has to be a balanced combination of carbohydrate, protein and fats. Yes, Krishnan, this is really very sad and it is very, very disappointing because if you read about it, if you go to YouTube and you see the way the milk has been extracted, you will feel very, very bad for them. They've been constantly given antibiotics because they don't fall sick. Constantly वो stress में गुजरते हैं animals and then they tend to fall sick. So they've been injected hormones so that the milk production increases, so that their wound and all those injuries get healed very fast. How come we know that we are lactose intolerant or not? Okay, so you will know. So a lot of time you may not even know. So some of the symptoms, some of the signs of lactose intolerance is you may get stomach cramps. Okay, अगर lactose intolerant हो आपको stomach में cramps आ सकते हैं, आपका पेट दुखने लगेगा, और you may feel stomach cramps आ सकते हैं, diarrhea हो सकता है, loose motions हो सकते हैं. You may feel like throwing up. Okay, you may feel that intense pain in the stomach. So ये सारे, और you may start feeling that you are scratchy. ऐसे कुछ infection, ऐसे कुछ symptoms आपको नजर आएंगे. Although not all places use mechanical means to extract milk. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. So unless you're very sure how the milk has been extracted, okay, some dairies don't. Okay, जैसे कि गाँव में जो है, they don't use mechanical procedure. गाँव में जो है लेबर सस्ता है, okay, and वहाँ पर जगह भी ज्यादा है, so people have their own cow and buffaloes, okay, so then that way they don't extract milk in a mechanical way. वो लोग जो है हाथ से निकालते हैं, so that's safest, okay. And if there are more cows, then if you have your own cow, please go ahead and have milk. But also, the debate over here is that also our gut is unable to digest milk. Lactose digest कर नहीं सकता हमारा gut, okay, so it keeps you heavy for too long. Karan is saying, I love to drink milk before sleep as it helps to put me to go to a sleep soon. Yes, a lot of people, so milk helps in sleep, good sleep. Yes, milk does that. So it induces sleep. So if you have a habit of having milk before you go to sleep, you can continue with that, or you can try the other methods also. Okay, it's just in our head, हो जाती है, habit हो जाती है, and then we get used to it. All right. So we should just actually not let our body get used to anything specific, or accommodate according to how our body's health requirements are. जरूरी है तो दीजिए, or you can cut it down. Okay, आप पूरा बड़ा ग्लास भर के दूध ना पिए. You can maybe have like this much quantity of milk, hot milk, and that can also help you to sleep better. Girish is saying, instead of milk I choose curd, buttermilk. Curd, buttermilk भी milk से ही बना है ना. Okay, so same way, right? So the benefit, or I would say the side effect, is the same. Is soya good for protein? Soya is yes, soya is a good source of. Can you guys see me? Yeah. Okay. I'm thinking to buy buffalo or cow and start milk business in future. I know even my mom says that we should buy a cow, or we should buy a buffalo, so that it becomes safer for us to consume milk. Yeah. So Jay has this thing. Doesn't milk of mother have lactose? Lactose is there in mother's milk also, but there's no connection of mother's milk. Okay, relationship of mother having milk to produce milk. Okay, जैसे कि गाय दूध नहीं पीती है दूध बनाने के लिए. What does a cow have? Cow has all green leafy vegetables. Cow has all patta and leaves and all of that, and it produces milk. So even if a mother doesn't have milk, okay, वो दूध नहीं पीती है, गाय का डेयरी नहीं लेती है, तो भी she can produce milk. And every animal is different, right? So गाय का दूध गाय का बच्चा पिएगा, माँ का दूध माँ का बच्चा पिएगा. So it's a very controversial topic, Jay. Like I said, there is no straight answer to this. Just join you. Can you brief about the dairy products in short? Okay, dairy products in short, no worries, Bhupendra. So, दही, बटर मिल्क, दही, छाछ, दूध, पनीर, ये सारी जो चीजें जो है ये डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स है. घी और बटर भी जो है उसमें से बनता है, बट दैट इज प्योरली फैट. इट डजंट हैव लैक्टोज. Good evening, Dada. I recently had pizza. What can I take after that cheat meal to diminish the results of fat present in it so won't affect my belly much? Oh my God. Karan, so ये लॉकडाउन में भी आप पिज्जा खा रहे हो, बढ़िया. So see, you cannot out exercise. This is a very popular saying. You cannot out exercise a bad diet. Okay, आपने गलत खाना खा लिया और आप सोचोगे कि मैं बहुत सारा वर्कआउट करूंगा तो वो ठीक हो जाएगा. नो, दैट डजंट वर्क. इट डजंट वर्क दैट वे. बट येस, इट्स ओके टू eat something of your choice once in a while, but just ensure whatever you're eating you should eat in moderation. Okay, अभी आप पिज्जा खाने गए, so don't sit with a whole big pizza and finish the entire pizza. Okay, you can have maybe 1 or 2 slices of it and not have the entire pizza. तो अभी आपने खाया है, उसका इफेक्ट डिमिनिश नहीं होगा, but what you can do is you know one day you just avoid eating anything which is too heavy. Light dinner कीजिए. Morning में you can have fruits, then you have lots of water, then whatever is made at home, light food, सब्जी है, खिचड़ी है, दाल है, आप वैसा खा लीजिए. Don't starve, but listen to your body, but eat in moderation. Or you can even do an intermittent fasting for a few days, okay, which will actually help your body to repair and help you to lose weight also in a way. So weight loss जो है वो directly intermittent fasting से नहीं होता है. उससे शरीर का रिपेयरिंग का काम इतना अच्छे से होता है. Your body starts repairing so well and your body starts working so well that you don't need much energy. Dada's asking how much milk should be in taking. I take half a liter of protein shake. Is it for the protein shake? Oh my God, that's a lot. And protein shake के लिए आप आधा लीटर दूध लेते हो. That is, I feel, a lot of milk. You don't need so much milk. I think if you really want to have 1 cup of milk a day is more than enough. You don't actually need half a liter of milk. Oh, in belly fat reduction diet should we include milk? No, not ideal. Oh my God, we have reached 12k hearts. Oh my God, I didn't even see that. Thank you so much everyone. You guys are so wonderful. इतने सारे hearts, आज क्या बात है. आज तो मेरा दिन, रमजान का पहला दिन बन गया. Thank you everyone. By the way, I'm going to prepare curry for dinner tonight. It's prepared by giving tadka to the buttermilk. Our traditional, simpler to cook childhood super soupy. Yes, I love curry too. So that's what I'm saying, that जो हम कढ़ी चावल खाते हैं, please continue doing that. I'm not stopping you to stop having your curry. I'm not stopping you to not eat paneer if you love paneer. Like, I am a paneer fan. That way I cannot digest milk. जो अगर मैं सिर्फ मिल्क ऐसे पीती हूँ, I start feeling bloated. My stomach starts to hurt. But if I have कढ़ी, जो मैं कढ़ी खाती हूँ, I'm okay. जब ईद रहेगी और अभी रमजान है, so we will make different delicacies with milk. So I will not have too much of it. I'll just taste this much. So my suggestion is just eat everything in moderation. बहुत ज़्यादा लीटर दूध नहीं पीना है. कभी कभार आपके घर में अगर दही कड़ी बन रही है, it's absolutely fine. You're making पनीर की भुर्जी or you're including paneer in your diet is also fine. So Amit, go ahead with your dahi kadi. This is amazing. I love dahi kadi. मेरे behalf पे आप एक bowl extra dahi kadi जरूर पी लीजिए. That cow or buffalo eat green fiber and vegetable and doesn't drink milk to produce milk. Exactly. So they don't drink milk. We are the only animals who feel we need to drink milk to produce milk. Okay. तो माँ को दूध बनाने के लिए. Okay. To give you my own example. Okay. I have a daughter, and when I was breastfeeding her, okay, I was not consuming so much of milk. बहुत ज़्यादा milk नहीं ले रही थी. I was high on fruits, and I was not over here. I was in the US, and there you get lactose-free milk. Okay, but doesn't make any difference. Lactose-free milk लो आप या ऐसा regular milk लो. The milk is the same, as in the way they are extracting milk. Cruelty तो जो है वो same ही है. Okay. So I used to feel like having milk sometime. So I used to have वो घी डाल के उसमें बाजरे का आटा डाल के, उसे हम राब कहते हैं, which helps in enhancing the milk production. Okay, lactation improve करता है. So my mother told me that you have this so that you can lactate better. So I used to have that, but not very frequently. I used to have a lot of fruits and vegetables, and to my daughter also. I never gave her so much milk. Okay, for first 2 years she was completely on me, and then I never gave her any milk. She has almond milk now, and she's fine. Her bones, joints are fine. In fact, she's taller than her age. So the doctor tells me that, how much calcium are you giving her? So I told him that, she is not having milk so much, hardly. Sometimes if she feels like having, buttermilk, kabhi man ho gaya, ya kabhi dahi kadi bani hai ghar pe. She doesn't drink milk as such, okay? She has all those fruits and vegetables and nuts. So you don't need milk to produce milk. You don't need milk to get calcium. You don't need milk to get protein. Protein and calcium are present in all the other food items also. Vishal is saying, hi, how many whole eggs can we have in a day? You can have 2 to 4 eggs in a day depending on your workout. Homemade with less cheese. That's awesome, Karan. That's awesome. Intermittent take time to suit your body, but if you continuously, result are better than any other diet. Yes. So intermittent is a body's natural way to eat food. Okay, if you see, that's a natural thing. It's not a fat diet as such. Okay, so don't take it as a fat diet. Okay, हाँ इससे weight loss होगा. It's not a weight loss diet. Okay, so you are not dieting while in your eating phase. जब भी आप fasting phase में हो तभी आप सिर्फ पानी पी रहे हो. But when you're eating the actual food, and you're not eating your diet bhel, or you're not eating a diet khakra. You are sufficiently nourishing your body, and that's how intermittent fasting work. And Ramzan, if you see, is a form of intermittent fasting. Okay, जहाँ पर आप कुछ ही घंटों तक खा रहे हो और बाकी कुछ घंटों तक आप नहीं खा रहे. Okay. Hair fall problem, any solution? Have 1 teaspoon of kala til, black til, sesame seed, black sesame seed, have alsi, flaxseed, have almonds, have greens, have lemons. You will not have hair fall. And do yoga, inverted yoga poses, very, very helpful. Ma'am, why is that milk should not be taken in belly fat reduction program? I've been milk with muesli or with haldi or alternate days. See, if you are on a weight loss diet, you don't want to bloat. You don't want your digestion to slow down. So milk as such slows down your digestion, and it can give you bloating. But if you're comfortable with it, okay, a cup of it is fine. That's great, Dada. And please, yes, you can have the homemade paneer. The paneer that you get outside in dairies, okay, are loaded with fat. वो बहुत ही creamy, बहुत ही heavy होता है. So homemade वाला जो है वो better है. Thank you so much, Krishnan. Vishal, thanks. There is a safe limit for protein for meals in a day. I work out 4 times a week. Any guidelines, please? Okay. Per kg of body weight, okay, if you have to calculate protein, okay, अगर आप एक dietitian की point of view से, मेरे point of view से अगर protein calculate करते हो, so for a person who works out, who does heavy workout, that person may need about between 1 gram to 1.4 grams of protein per kg of body weight, okay. And if you're working out 4 times a week, आपने बस सिर्फ घर का खाना खाया, अंडे खाए, दाल खाया, बादाम और या तो चने, सिंग खाए और सीड्स खा ली, तो आपको प्रोटीन मिल जाएगा. आपको स्पेशली प्रोटीन शेक लेने की कोई भी जरूरत नहीं है. बस दाल अच्छे से खाइए. अगर आप चिकन खाते तो चिकन, थोड़ा बहुत पनीर आपने ले लिया, एब्सोल्युटली गुड फॉर यू. यू डोंट नीड एनी एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटीन. आपके बिहाफ में एक्स्ट्रा करी, सुभान अल्लाह. आपकी इस अदा पर तो हम इंसान ईमान ना भूल बैठे. खुदा करे आपको देखे बिना हमारा दिन ना गुजरे. Oh my God, this is so sweet. Thank you so much, Amit. Very, very sweet of you. Ramadan Mubarak, Krishnan. Thank you so much, Dada. So yes, it's time for me to go. आज मैंने बहुत लंबा सेशन ले लिया आप सभी का. So I'm going to be seeing you all tomorrow. So guys, keep watching Goki. Subscribe to my session. Keep smiling and be the first. Ramzan Mubarak. Namaste. Bye.